Today we're checking out another awesome wallet option from Ekster. These wallets are the coolest, and each one of them are unique in their own way. This is the carbon fiber card holder from Ekster. It comes shipped to your door in a really elegant box. Slide out the insert and your sleek new wallet is revealed. This card holder has a 3K space grade carbon fiber body. It's made out of a woven metal material that was originally created for aerospace and military industries. This makes the wallet unbreakable. I'd do a durability test, but it's way too pretty to try and cause any damage. If you push the button on the bottom, it pops up some sample cards with extra information. This is where you'll keep your cards. It fans out everything nicely so you can see all your cards and grab the one you need easily. It can easily store up to 6 cards in the card holder. The built-in aluminum card holder also prevents against skimming, as it has an RFID blocker. It's getting more affordable every day to buy card skimmers, so this is more important now than ever. But with the expandable back, you're able to hold an extra 9 cards. You can also tuck away some cash in the cash strap for when you need it. However, if you'd like a more slim design, you can remove this and slide on your cash strap. This gives a really minimalist feel and takes up little room in your pocket. I couldn't be happier with my new wallet. It looks so clean and fancy. It makes me feel like I'm holding money. That carbon fiber design not only looks cool, but it makes it nice and sleek, so it will slide in and out of your pocket with ease. And it's so lightweight that you won't even notice it's there. Lastly, you can add an Ekster tracker to any Ekster wallet to have peace of mind. This gives you the ability to track your wallet and even bring it, so you can find it whether you've lost it inside the couch or even at the store. So if you're looking for a new wallet, you won't be disappointed with an Ekster. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go test out the durability on my new space grade wallet. See ya!